Ni mmoja kati ya wafanyabiashara na pia wanamuziki tajika sana katika eneo la Mlima Kenya. Inaonekana pia yeye amepata kuchukua mkondo na barabara ya kisiasa baada ya kile ambacho alipata kukifanya hapo jana na maneno yake kulingana na kuhusishwa na jamii ya Wakikuyu. Paul Waiganjo likiwa ndilo jina lake. The Brico Homes CEO and Kikuyu gospel musician Paul Waiganjo. The popular gospel musician Paul Waiganjo could soon be on the growing list of celebrities joining elective politics ahead of the 2027 general election. The Kikuyu artist said he is contemplating vying for the Olkalao parliamentary seat in Nyandarua County following immense pressure from constituents. The current area member of parliament is David Juguna Kiaraho of President William Ruto's United Democratic Alliance UDA ticket, who is on consecutive second term. Responding to a follower on his Facebook page, Waiganjo said he was waiting for Gon's voice so he can officially declare his interest for the MP position and kick off campaigns. The musician, who is also the CEO of Brico Homes, a real estate firm, has been actively participating in development, fundraising and attending strategic events across the constituency. On Tuesday, he was the chief guest during a ceremony in which more than 100 boys graduated after undergoing traditional circumcision ceremony at Gorika location. Now, I shall quote him. Yesterday was a very unique and a special day for me together with my people in Gorika Olkalao constituency. I was invited to witness this great ceremony that was organized by Wazee wa Kiama as a guest. Boys became men according to our Kikuyu culture. This event brought people together who hailed from this area. More importantly, the rich and the poor wasn't a subject in this event. It was all about unity, love, peace, and thinking much about the young generation. Maina wacha nikuambie, tulikula ngoma sana. Salute to the wazees, he posted on his Facebook page. Now Waiganjo is popular for songs such as Wega imahida more than yeah, Negwe hota gaiwa mwanya na ihoru reako, which is sung alongside musician Grace Mwai. He is a very great influential figure when it comes to the Mount Kenya region due to his music. Now, things continue to unfold. Seems that a lot of our musicians nowadays are thinking on joining the said political atmosphere and joining the political grounds so that they will seek to represent their people in different fields. We have seen different celebrities becoming MCAs, people like Akina Jerry, MP singers becoming MPs, people like Njagua, presenters becoming MPs, people like MP Mohammed Ali of Nyali, and other people too. Many have sought the seat and they have finally won. And we can say that Paul Waiganjo is a man who has done much for this country and mostly for the people of Mount Kenya. Through his music, he has united a lot of Kenyans through his music. And I bet it wouldn't be so hard when he decides to run for that elective post. And he might get it and become the next member of parliament of Olkalao. For now, that's what's up. Kile tunaomba ni usisahau kusubscribe ndani ya FM Show. Tuungane kwenye video zetu zijazo. Hii ni FM Show.